Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. As y'all can see from the title, today I have a new wig for you guys. This wig is from Supernova hair, and I have worked with them before. And my other video that I did film with their hair, I did have their burgundy hair, and I absolutely still love it. I will update you guys on that soon, but this is my new wig. This is amazing. I'm gonna zoom y'all in real quick. Y'all, get into this scalp, okay, honey? This is what it means to have like a silk base closure or frontal, whatever the case. This scalp, this wig is so soft, and all I did was just a little razzle dazzle, which I will be showing you guys in this video. But if you guys want to know more about this hair, then just keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so this is how the hair comes in this pink box right here, and of course it has Supernova right here in the front. Let's see what comes in the box. So we have the hair, of course, right here. I'm going to get to that. It also comes with these pretty mink 3D lashes. These are really cute. I will actually wear these. And it also comes with an elastic band for extra security, so if you want to put that on your wig, there is that. And it also comes with this silk bag. So as y'all can see, a lot of companies are into having silk bags and stuff to store your wigs with, so that is a plus. Now onto the hair. So the hair I have is in 16 inches. This is the Brazilian Body Wave silk base frontal wig, and it is 180% density. So automatically, I already love how this wig is. It does have a slight smell to it, but it's not a bad smell. And y'all can see this pretty pattern, curl pattern, wave pattern. And y'all can see it's like a natural brown color. And I'm going to show you guys the inside. So the wig comes with 2 combs right here on the side, and 1 comb in the back, and 2 adjustable straps. It also has a little bit of lace in the back to play with, probably if you want to put up in a ponytail or whatever. Then it has the silk base right here in the middle of the wig. So of course it's a frontal wig, so the lace goes all the way from ear to ear, but the silk base is right there in the middle. This hairline is popping. Like, look at that hairline. It's pre-plucked, and it already comes with baby hair right here in the front. So yeah, this is the inside of the wig and how it's constructed, and this is the outside. The hair is really soft. I am getting a couple strands here and there, but it's not bad shedding, and I can just run my hands through it very easily. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and put the wig on, and then we can finish out this video. Okay, you guys, so clearly I just did a little pin curl, you know, with the flat iron and everything. If you guys want to know what flat iron I used the Remington flat iron. It was only like $15 at Walmart. So I have it on the 370 setting, and I'm just letting the curls cool. I don't actually have hairspray right now, but what I'm going to use is my Got To Be spray just to freeze the hair in place and, you know, keep that volume. That is it. Hopefully this turns out right. It's like I haven't done my hair so long, I almost forget how to do hair. So don't judge the way my hair looks or turns out. I hope you guys like this. So I'll be right back when this spray has dried and the hair has cooled off. Okay, so the hair is pretty much dry and cool. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take out these pins in my hair, and then we're gonna get to the results. Okay, you guys, this is the end results. I absolutely love this, you guys. This is like the first time in a long time that I've had like a natural looking hair length, and this is how far it falls on me curled, and this is 16-inch. I'm gonna tell y'all one thing that I'm absolutely obsessed about with this wig is the silk base in the lace. Like, it looks like scalp, and I am gagging. Okay, I'm gonna let y'all come in closer. Like, all I have to do really is just put a little bit powder like right here on the front of the lace, but where that silk base is, oh my gosh, good. The hair has a nice sheen to it. As y'all can see, I didn't put any product in it. So this is how the hair looks like, literally right out the box with just a little bit of heat, and you're good to go. And all I did was use the Got To Be product. Super simple, super easy, dries really quickly. Took me about 30 minutes. Just for you guys who are just starting off with wearing wigs, silk bases are amazing. You don't have to do much to make it look natural, and this wig already came pre-plucked and with baby hairs, so I just slicked it down on both sides, and that's it. You guys let me know what y'all think about this length on me. I think it makes me look more mature, like older. So yeah, y'all let me know down below in the comments section so we can chat about it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.